Hey YouTube, we're going to start with Holiday Cocoa chapstick because this is what we already have on, so we're just going to reapply it. I just did another quick video before this one. I wanted to show you, I did purchase something from Pat McGrath's Star. You see the title, you know what this is. So Sith Seduction, this is the box. Come for me, I don't care. I don't keep packaging. I did like the Star Wars movies. Am I like a fan? Like, no, but I did like the movies, but I just don't keep packaging, as awesome as they may be. This is the palette. I didn't realize it was blue for some reason. This is what it looks like on the inside. This was the only Quint that piqued my interest because of the color story. I don't prefer like soft shadows, like soft shades. I like color, and this was the only one to me that seemed to have color, and it's because of this shade and that one. And the shades are on the back. Let me do this. This is Imperial, Dark Destiny, Mustafar Heat, Galactic Conquest, Force Sensitive. So those are the shades in here. And as I was looking at it, it does remind me of Midnight Sun. I did not purchase Star Wars one. I purchased this on sale a while ago, and it was, I'm not going to get into that because I talk about that in another video. But this to me does remind me, trying to hold it without getting my fingers all in it. It reminds me of Midnight Sun because you have this orange here. Granted, the one in Midnight Sun is a celestial shade. And even this green here, which the one in Sith Seduction does seem to be more glittery, and these all kind of look like chunky monkeys in here. And even this shade right here, or was it this shade? Pick either one. This one over here is not a celestial shade, and neither is the one in Sith Seduction, so maybe this will be that. So, well, not that, but similar to that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to swatch 5 of these. I do have one Max Powder Foundation, number 44.5. That's the only thing on my face. And so I'm going to swatch out Sith Seduction, and then we're going to swatch the shades that to me look similar to the shades in Midnight Sun. And the reason I keep pointing that out is because if you're wanting Midnight Sun, but it's like it was $77, I'm not going to pay $129 now because they slapped the sticker on it that says Star Wars. So if you are just wanting a similar vibe, you know, I just wanted to show you, to me, it looks similar. So some of the shades, and of course there's no mattes in this one. And so even if you do have them both, or you're thinking about getting this one and you already have Midnight Sun, I do think it would be a nice accompany palette. So this is, oh, this is a chunky monkey. I swiped the sponge tip in it and it's flaky. This is Imperial. What is this? Yeah, just Imperial. So that's Imperial. I'm going to swipe it again. I'm actually just tapping in because this is chunky. Because when I swiped it, it just chunked up and chunky monkey. So that's Imperial. The one next to it, Dark Destiny. These appear to all be the same texture. Let me go in again. This is chunky. I do not like chunky monkeys. So that's what that looks like. The one in the center, Mustafar Heat. This one is not a chunky monkey. These are very soft though. That is pretty. This one we're going into is Galactic Conquest. This is pretty. And the last one is Force Sensitive. These, the only two that chunked up really bad were the first two, and maybe it's because of how I'm swiping it. We're going to put this over here. That seems to have a greenish tint to it, so that would go well with this. Actually, I think all of these would go well with each other depending on where you put them. So that's Force Sensitive. So we have Imperial, Dark Destiny, Mustafar Heat, Galactic Conquest, and Force Sensitive. And I left spaces so I can Now I'll go into Midnight Sun and swatch the ones that I think are similar. The first one I'm going to do is Skin Show Moon Glow. And this one again is not a celestial shade. And so we're going to put this here. That is that one. We're going to go into the green Wicked Envy, this one right here. And we're going to put that here. These would look nice together. Okie dokie. The last one we're going to do is this one here, this orange, which is, what is that? Blood Moon 005. This one is a Chunky Monkey. And we're going to put that right here. So even though they're similar, they're not the same. But these would pair well, these would pair well, these would pair well. And so, yeah, so I was right. They are similar. That'll be it for this video. I will be doing looks soon after I get done having these migraines, because I've been overdoing it with videos and editing again. So yay me for not taking good care of myself, even though I do hope that all of you are taking care of yourselves. That'll be it for this video. Let me know what you think about Sith Seduction and Midnight Sun, because I did not think they looked similar until I opened this, and then I'm like, wait a minute, that does remind me of Midnight Sun, and it really does. That'll be it. Seriously, I'm going to go. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below.